Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make engaging Facebook ads using Canva. So if you want to launch that Facebook advert campaign and you want to get amazing Facebook ad graphics for that campaign, here's exactly what you can do. I'm going to show you two ways to get that done to start your design processes on Canva specifically. One way is to create your design from scratch. And how do you do that? Head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on this create a design button. Then you get that done. All right, you can now create your design from scratch. Second option is to head over to the mid left corner of your screen and click on this template button. So once you click on that, it's going to take you to a world of templates. Now, using this particular option is really sweet. Like, it's my most preferred option because it makes it easier for me. It helps to facilitate my creative processes. So now we're in this window. Head over to the top corner, you're going to see the search bar. So in the search bar, we're going to be very sincere with Canva so they can give us exactly what we want specifically. So I'm going to type in Facebook ads because that's the simple tutorial. So Facebook ads, and I'm going to punch the enter button. So you have Facebook ad templates. They're going to show you like variety of designs. Now, before you get too excited, I'd like you to know that not all the designs on Canva are free. That's why you see that some of the designs are labeled Pro, meaning you have to click on this Try Canva Pro to subscribe to the premium version. But some of them are free. All right, so we can now make do with the ones that are free and tweak it to something really nice for us, right? So this is free, and this is a really nice Facebook ad. So I can just open that up by clicking on it and click on customize this template, and that's going to take me to the editing suite where I can now manipulate the elements to, to get my desired design. So here you go. Okay, so this is an ad. All right, what are they advertising? Modern living in Midtown. This is the name of the brand. So this is an urban apartment that they are advertising. Okay. So let's see how we can get this started. So this is the name of the brand. Let's say we want to change this. All right, so double click. Once you double click that, you will now be able to change it to, let's say, Amy Mark Living. So as you can see, something's in between. So I'm gonna delete that because I don't like this font. So Amy Mac, right? I can of course change the font. So I'm gonna click on this because this font is too basic. The living room has to be like stylish. So I'm gonna click the stylish font. So follow me closely. No. And there's something stylish. Stylish and bold. But at the same time, I don't want us to spend so much time. So let's make that that's like bold, but it's not stylish. Well, let's see if I can italicize it. So I can use italics, and it doesn't change anything there. Okay, so that's one. That's just how to change the text. So you can of course change the font size, and even change the text color from here. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is how to replace images. So this is an image of a house. I can head over to element here, and then in this element I'm going to type in house rather. So while that's loading up, I'm going to show you others. All right, so here we go. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, so they're having a problem with that. So while that looks up, we'll just wait for that. So here's another way. I've shown you pretty much how you can change the text. So you can change the text if you want to. So here, the next thing is to change the background color. So while I'm still waiting for that to load up, so I can click on this color. It's orange, so I'm gonna change it to a color that I think is nice. And I cannot use this really bright one. I like to use mixed colors, right? Like this, but it's somehow contrasting what is here. It actually strikes me as better. All right. I want to change these pictures and I really want to show you how to do that, but this whole thing is kind of pretty messed up, right? But thank God we have this. So head over to photos and I'm going to see pictures that are free. I see the one that is free. I'm just going to work with it that way. So this is free, right? So I can drag and drop. You see that picture changed. So I just dragged and dropped. So here too, I'm gonna drag and drop this and that changes as well. I hope you can see that. So I want to increase this. So, all right, so I'm taking this, moving this so that everything can be here to size. All right, and then starts from, you can definitely tweak that. So I want this to, of course, come here. So what I'm just clicking, I'm just holding down the left corner of my mouse and moving the elements, right? This, I don't think this should be here, so I'm going to delete it. So it does not have to be exactly the design that you want. I'm just showing you really basic things, how to change the text, how to change the font, how to change the font size, how to change pictures. Now with these ideas that you have, all right, so you can just manipulate and then get what you want to do in the best way possible. This is a sweet ad that you can put up on Facebook. Now once you're done, head over to the top right corner, click on share, use the download setting that is appropriate, and then once you're done, that's it. Go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. After that, you're good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.